Hi, this is Eric. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how you could use Google Calendar to create time slots available only to one person per slot in your Google Calendar. So I went to my Google Calendar from Gmail. When I want to make a calendar event, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click at that time. So I clicked at 4:30. If you click the wrong time, you can always move this guy up around and it tells you up and down what time slot that fits in. I can change it by dragging down if I would like. So I can change it by dragging down 4:30 to 7:30, or you can type in these two boxes where it tells me that event right there. I can add Google Meets conferencing for this, so I'm going to choose that because I want my parents, once they sign up, to choose with Google Meets. I'm going to make some appointment slots that are available for them to sign up, so I just simply click on appointment slots. If you use these drop down arrows, it's going to go every 15 minutes, which we don't want. We can choose anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. So I just highlight that and type in the number. That will give me 10-minute slots. I'm going to choose, now I'm going to choose save, or I can choose more options. Either one. If I choose more options, then it's going to take me to this page, and then I can type in this section right here, I can type in please choose a time for parent-teacher conference. Okay, and up here at the top you can title it whatever you want. So I'm just going to make it simple for time's sake. I'm going to put in parent-teacher conference. Okay, I make sure that this says does not repeat because I don't want to put on my calendar every day. So then I have my time slots every 10 minutes. I could choose 5 once again. I'm going to choose save. Okay, now that appeared on my calendar. I click on that calendar link now, and it's going to go to the appointment page for this calendar. This is the link that I will send to my parents. So when I click on that, that's going to take me to this page, which is a calendar that parents can see, but it doesn't show them any of my other calendar events, which is really cool. So when they want to schedule a time slot now, they just click on that particular slot. There, it'll be recording their email, and then they just choose save, and they can put any notes they want in there. They just choose save, and now that slot will be booked. If I look at it, that slot is booked with my email. No one else can fill up that time slot. It's really that simple. And then what I can do is I just highlight this, and I just send that to, I just copy it and then send that in an email to all my parents. They can go in and sign up. Once the slots are full, they're full. So that's pretty much how that works. Thanks.